Hello and welcome. Today we'll be sharpening router bits. Why, you ask? Well, it's efficiency really, and you can also make the cheapest router bit last a lot longer than an unmaintained, expensive router bit. Okay, so believe it or not, a steak knife and a router bit have a lot in common, especially when it comes to sharpening them. Okay, on the steak knife, you'll have a flat edge and you'll have a serrated edge. Okay, same on the router bit. Instead of a serrated edge, you'll have a profile and you'll have a flat edge right there. Okay, so we are going to be sharpening the flat edge. We never touch the serrated. And for that very same reason, if your router bit has a bearing on it, that needs to be removed so that we can access all of that flat edge. Okay, so to make this happen, we just need that block of wood to help elevate everything, some non-slip surface, and the credit card sharpener that I'll be using. Now, Trend has both sides covered with a different type of grit. We have the smooth side, or 600 grit, and that is for tungsten carbide. That'll be what I'll be using. And the other side is 300 grit, and that is for high-speed steel. We just simply place it right there on the edge and add a couple of drips of the lapping fluid. Smooth that out. So we have everything set up, and what we need to do is take the router bit and push it all the way into the credit card sharpener and make sure that we have flat surface to flat surface. And what we'll do is count off 3 to 6. I'll go for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then rotate it to where we got the other surface and count off 6 from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, making sure that we do every cutting edge evenly. And if you have the whetstone or oil stone, you will have to do approximately 3 to 4 times more than that. So that takes care of all the sharpening. However, there's one more job to do with this, and that is to make sure this is dry. The diamonds on it are held in place by a nickel coating, and that nickel coating is susceptible to rust. Okay, so if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you later.